Hello everyone, welcome back to Old School. In this series we are learning about the basics of computer system. In this lecture we are going to see the evolution of generations and learn about the first generation. So without wasting any time, let's start. The evolution of computers has progressed from the abacus, a manual counting tool, to modern machines powered by microprocessors. Calculators and mechanical devices like Babbage's analytical engine opened the way for electronic computers in the mid-20th century. Those early computers were large and bulky in size and has their own disadvantages. Those computers were primarily used for mathematical calculations. Over time, advancements in technology and innovation in this field led to the reduction of size of the computers, whereas giving them more processing powers, which results in today's small, handheld and powerful devices that play crucial roles in various aspects of our lives. Computers have evolved from room-sized machines to pocket-sized devices, becoming smaller and more powerful over time. They have transformed from specialized tools for calculations and have become an integral part of our life. This transformational journey of computer system is generally divided into some distinct time spans according to some specific advancement in hardware and technology, which leads in the development of the computer system. Those distinct time spans were called as the generations of computer system. Computer generations have been categorized into 5 generations. Each generation is often categorized based on the technology used during that period, such as vacuum tubes, transistors, integrated circuits, microprocessors, or artificial intelligence. In this video we are going to see the first generation of the computer. First generation of computer. The period of first generation computer was in 1940 to 1956 and used vacuum tubes. Introduction to vacuum tube. First generation of computers started with using vacuum tubes as the basic component for memory and circuitry for CPU central processing unit. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat and were prone to frequent fusing of the installations. Therefore were very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organizations. In this generation mainly batch processing operating systems were used in this generation. Punched card, paper tape, magnetic tape input and output devices were used. Basic structure of a vacuum tube. The vacuum tube consists of connection pins, tube base, insulated elements support, heater, grid, cathode, filament, glass enclosure, plate that is anode. Usage of vacuum tubes. The first electronic digital computer ENIAC developed in the late 40s was based on vacuum tube circuitry. Some of the earlier computers were built by using thousands of vacuum tubes. Hardware technology. First generation of computers started using vacuum tubes as the basic components for memory and circuitry for CPU, that is a central processing unit. Punched cards and paper tapes were used for input. The output was displayed as printouts. Software technology. The instructions were written in machine language which uses zeros and ones for coding of the instructions. Physical appearance. These computers were large in size and required a large room for installation. Examples: EDVAC, that is electronic discrete variable automatic computer. EDSAC, that is electronic delay storage automatic calculator. UNIVAC, that is universal automatic computer. EDIAC, that is electronic numerical integrator and computer. That's all for today. In the next lecture we are going to see about the second generation of computer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more update.